In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view analytics on Google Forms. If you've just collected responses from a survey, quiz, or registration form, the built-in analytics in Google Forms give you clear visual insights in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly where to find them and how to read what you see, so you can make quick, confident decisions. Start by opening your form in edit mode. This is the version where you can change questions, not the preview that respondents see. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the form. If your form hasn't received any responses yet, the analytics area will appear but won't have much to show, so don't worry if it looks sparse at first. At the top of the form editor, look for the Responses tab next to Questions. Click that. This is the hub for all your analytics. Right away, you'll see the total number of responses at the top. When responses start rolling in, this count updates automatically. You may also see a toggle to accept or stop accepting responses. That simply controls whether new submissions are allowed. For now, we're focused on viewing the data you've already collected. Within the Responses area, there are 3 views that organize your analytics: Summary, Question, and Individual. Think of Summary as your dashboard. It compiles results across the entire form and displays charts for choice-based questions, like multiple choice, checkboxes, and linear scales. These visualizations make it easy to spot trends at a glance, such as the most popular option or how evenly responses are distributed. For short answer or paragraph questions, you'll see a list of text responses so you can quickly scan themes or notable comments. If you're presenting findings, the summary view is usually the fastest way to share a high-level snapshot. Switch over to the question view when you want to focus on one question at a time. This is helpful for digging deeper into a single chart or scanning long written responses without distractions. It's especially useful if one question drives an important decision and you need to analyze it more carefully. Finally, the individual view lets you read each submission as a complete entry, exactly how a respondent filled it out from start to finish. Use this when context matters, like reviewing how someone answered across multiple questions or verifying a specific submission. That's all you need to view analytics on Google Forms. Open your form, click Responses, and explore Summary, Question, and Individual to understand your data from every angle.